The Lion's Roar of Courage. Once upon a time in the enchanting forest, there lived a group of talking animals who were the best of friends. Among them were Leo the lion, Ellie the elephant, Milo the monkey, Benny the bear, Oliver the owl, Daisy the deer, and Grace the giraffe. They spent their days playing and exploring the beautiful surroundings of their forest home. One sunny day, Leo sensed something was amiss. He gathered his friends and shared his concerns. "I've heard rumors that a ferocious tiger named Tybalt has been terrorizing the nearby animals. We must help them and ensure everyone feels safe in our forest." Determined to face the challenge, the courageous group set out on a mission to find Tybalt and put an end to his reign of fear. Along the way, they encountered various obstacles, but their unwavering friendship and teamwork helped them overcome each hurdle. As they reached the heart of the forest, they found Tybalt, who appeared fierce and intimidating. Leo took a step forward and said, "Tybalt, why are you causing so much fear and chaos? We believe in living together harmoniously and helping one another." Tybalt sneered, "I am the strongest, and I want everyone to fear me." Leo calmly replied, "Strength isn't measured by causing fear, but by the courage to stand up for what is right and protect others. Let us show you the true meaning of strength." With those words, Leo and his friends showcased acts of kindness, compassion, and unity. They helped each other, shared their food, and played together, demonstrating the beauty of friendship and love. Tybalt transformed into a gentle and friendly tiger, and the once fearful forest thrived with peace and happiness. All the animals celebrated their newfound harmony and pledged to be there for one another, creating a strong bond within the forest. Moral of the story: true strength lies in kindness and unity. When we stand together and support one another, we create a world filled with love and harmony.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like this.